Hello, welcome to our acoustic guitar tutorial for the song Blessed Assurance by Elevation Worship. This song is in the original recording key of E flat, but we're going to be doing the tutorial in the key of D. So if you wanted to play this in the original recording key, you would just capo fret 1 and that would put you in E flat. This song is also in 6/8 timing, so we're going to be counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The song starts off with an intro that actually starts on the G chord, and it just switches between G and the D over F sharp. Now it's really important that you get that F sharp in the bass there, so I just do the D and then add that F sharp right there with my thumb. There are other ways to do that. As you can see, just any way that you can make sure that F sharp is hit in the bass, that's really the most important part of what you're playing. And on the recording, this part of the song starts with the piano. The piano just does a very melodic line there. And the guitar really isn't heard much in the recording, so when I play this live, what I would do is just play down strums on the 1 of the first measure and the 1 of the third measure, so it would just be literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you happen to be playing this without a piano, you're going to want to add some more strumming in there to keep that going. It would sound really empty if you did that. But if you're playing with the piano, just kind of pull your guitar back for the intro there. All right, so coming out of the intro, you're going to go right into verse 1. And what's going to happen is you're going to hang on that G for the first line until you get to assurance. And so it's going to go something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Oh, what a B minor. G, A, air of salad, D, to the G, purchase of D, to the E minor, born of his E minor, to the G, washed in his blood, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 2 more measures of D. Back to verse 2. Perfect submission, all is at rest. I in my B minor, to the G, happy and A, watching and D, to the G, to the D, back to E minor. This spirit, lost in his love, to the D. And then this hangs on D for a while. And then, so you're going to play, it's about 8 measures of D, and then that's going to take you into the chorus. This is my D, to the G. This is my D. I'm praising my B minor, G, to the A, and this is my story, G, this is my song, to the E minor, praising my Savior, A, all the day long. Now what happens here is you're going to go to the third interlude, and the third interlude is pretty much the same as that intro, where it's just that G to the D over F sharp. And that's carried right through the bridge, so you're going to go right from that interlude to the first bridge, and that's just that. Oh, what a Savior, wonderful Jesus, G, and it's going to go back and forth from that. And then what happens is as you get to bridge 2, that chord pattern just changes just a little bit. So we're going to go instead of G to D over F sharp, we're going to go G to B minor and then G to D. And so that's going to sound like this. On Death Could Not Hold You. So Death could not hold you. B minor. Are victorious. To G. To the risen King to D. And then bridge 3 goes, and it varies both of those. So it's going to go to the G to the D over F sharp twice, and then G to the B minor to the G. So that one's gonna sound like, oh, what a Savior, wonderful Jesus. Oh, what a Savior, wonderful Jesus. Oh, what a Savior. B minor. So at that point, that's going to take you into the end of the song. That's going to be the outro, and it goes back into that keyboard part with the acoustic guitar, kind of a little bit pulled back or subdued. Make sure you follow your worship leader on that, how they want to take that to the outro. But that's the gist of the acoustic guitar. It's really simple. The only thing you want to watch for is just to make sure you're getting those chord changes in the right places. There's some parts where you're going to be tempted to change a little early. Sometimes on the verses, I want to go perfect submission and kind of hit that a little early, and it might be a little weird because you're in 6/8 and it just feels a little off to you at first, especially if you're coming out of a 4/4 song. So I hope that's helpful for you. If you need any other worship tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us at PursueGodNetwork.org/worship. Thank you. Have a good day.